Hello friends, 18 lectures over and 9.6 exercise and up to 20 illustrations over. Okay. चलो तो let's start example number 21. Okay. Y dx minus bracket x plus 2y square dy n equal to 0. We know that our running method is linear differential equation, either dy by dx or dx by dy. Okay, so also we know that dy by dx, then y fix, dx by dy, then x fix. And solution, if dy by dx, so start with dy, p of x and q of x. And second case is dx by dy case, x fix. So solution x and p of y, q of y. Okay. So the very easy method. Y dx minus x plus 2y square dy and equal to 0. X is one time. So definitely dx by dy. Case number 2. So first one, x plus 2y square dy, taking other side. So y dx equal to x plus 2y square dy. Other side becomes positive. So dx by dy equal to x plus 2y square whole divide y. Now y individual, x by y plus only 2y, x by y plus 2y square by y, one time y cut and only 2y. Now after dx by dy we know that x fix, so taking x by y other side, dx by dy minus x by y and equal to 2y. Okay, x into p of y. So what is p of y? X into term is p of y, so minus 1 by y, and q of y is 2y. Next one, if e raised to integration p of y dy, e raised to integration p of y is minus 1 by y. So if e raised to minus common and 1 by y dy. 1 by y is log y. So e raised to minus log y. So if e raised to log y raised to minus 1. So if answer y raised to minus 1, therefore 1 upon y. Okay. So now solution. Solution starting x into or y into, so x fix, so obviously x into. Okay. X into e raised to integration p of y dy equal to integration two terms q of y into e raised to integration p of y dy whole dy. Now therefore x e raised to integration p of y dy is 1 by y. 1 Q of y 2y into 1 by y dy. So x by y, here y cancel, 2 outside and 1 dy. So answer x by y equal to 2y plus c. Okay, x by y equal to 2y plus c is our answer, and no particular condition, the answer is ready, 2y plus c. Alright, done. So example number 21 over. Hello, next taking the number 22. In example number 22, there is a one correction in your textbook. The correction is, in our textbook, here dx by dy is given. But right thing is dy by dx. And you can decide कि why dx by dy is wrong. We know that कि dx by dy तो x fix and x one time होना चाहिए. तो if here dx by dy तो x fix पर x one time होना चाहिए, ax and x, and here also x 4 time x. So dx by dy definitely not possible, and dy by dx so y fix and y one time, so y fixed and y only one time. So here must write the dy by dx is the right 100% right thing. Okay, so this is a one correction, and this one is a initial type condition. So initial condition is given y equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 2. Y equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2. Okay, so the equation and condition and arrangement is completely given. Y into term cot x and other all side all term is q of x, and this is p of x. Already, so arrangement is given. P of x is cot x and q of x is 2x plus x square cot x. Done. So next work, IF. E raised to integration p of x dx. E raised to integration p of x is cot x dx. We know that integration of cot log mod sine. So answer is sin x. Okay. Now solution is dy by dx, case number 1 y. So y into e raised to integration p of x dx equal to integration q of x into e raised to integration p of x dx whole dx. Okay, or putting all data. P of x is cot x and q of x 2x plus x square cot x. So y into or e raised to p of x, answer sin x. So y into sin x integration q of x 2x plus x square cot x, 2x plus x square cot x into e raised to integration p of x, answer is sin x. So we need the integration of right hand side, then sum is over. Okay, so y into sin x हाँ क्या करेंगे 2x plus x square cot x and into sin x. So first sin x multiply with both. बराबर, we can take x common but कोई बेनिफिट नहीं होगा. If we take x common, तो x outside, तो 2 plus cot then into sin as it is. No, बराबर, कोई भी बेनिफिट नहीं है. We have to multiply the sign. तो 2x sin x plus x square cot x sin x dx. Done. Here 2x sin x means 2x sin x. एक काम करते हैं, थोड़ा सोल्व करते हैं अभी. y into sin x equal to 2x sin x plus x square cot x into sin. तो cot is cos by sin and sin cancel, so x square into cos x dx. Now we can take x outside, but कोई प्रॉब्लम, कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं होगा. यहां पर 2 sin and plus x cos तो मिक्स ही है. इट मींस 2x sin x, x into sin, 2 is common, x into sin, uv rule, x square into cos, uv rule, it means 2 times uv rule. So first separate the integration. Y into sin x equal to first integration 2 common x into sin x dx plus integration x square into cos x dx. Okay, चलो तो we have to use 2 time integration. Okay, तो uv li a t, u is x, v is sin, u is x square, v is cos. तो एक काम करते हैं, i1 i2 करके सोल्व नहीं करते हैं, डायरेक्टली here putting uv and here also putting uv. So y into sin x equal to 2 and in the bracket applying uv rule. U is x and v is sin x. So x as it is. Integration of sin dx minus integration d by dx of u, d by dx of x into integration of v means sin dx bracket over whole dx and full bracket over. Or here uv formula ready, plus and here also putting the uv formula or plus bracket. Now x square into cos. Okay, x square into cos, x square as it is. Integration of cos x dx minus, okay, u as it is, integration of v minus integration 2 terms d by dx of u. एक काम करो, थोड़ा लेंदी तो होगा क्योंकि जो d by dx of u में क्या होगा, x square becomes 2x and cos becomes sin and again uv rule, बराबर, x into sin हो जाएगा, वहां पर फिर से uv rule अप्लाई करना होगा, बराबर. तो एक काम करते हैं, i1 i2 सेपरेट ही करते हैं, ठीक है. चलो फ्रेंड्स एक काम करते हैं, i1 i2 भी नहीं करेंगे, अभी हमने पॉइंट बोला था ना, वहां से मैंने रास्ता निकला है एंड समझो आप हम फर्स्ट इंटीग्रेशन को सोल्व नहीं करेंगे. वी नो दैट हियर वी हैव टू अप्लाई द यूवी रूल, बट नो नीड टू फाइंड द इंटीग्रेशन 2 into x sin x. We will find only integration of the second term x square into cos. वहां पर अभी हमने एक लास्ट पॉइंट बोला था कि वहां पर क्या आ रहा है, डेरिवेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर एंड इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos x. तो डेरिवेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा 2x एंड cos बिकम्स sin. तो 2x sin x, यहां पर भी 2x sin x, दोनों इंटीग्रेशन ही कट हो जाएगा. मीनिंग इज, देखो यहां पर y into sin x. This integration as it is. And here applying UV rule. Okay? X square as it is. Integration of cos x dx minus integration d by dx of u. चलो तो d by dx of u. u means x square into integration of v cos x dx whole dx. Now y into sin x to integration x sin x dx. यहां पर ये प्लस साइन, तो नो नीड टू राइट द ब्रैकेट. और x स्क्वायर एंड cos इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos इज sin माइनस दिस इंटीग्रेशन d by dx ऑफ x स्क्वायर 2x एंड इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos इज sin x एंड dx. जो कट हो रहा है तो ये 2 इनसाइड लिख लो आप, ताकि एक स्टेप ना हमें करना पड़े. अब दिस इंटीग्रेशन डायरेक्टली कैंसल, तो आंसर y sin x इक्वल टू ओनली x स्क्वायर sin x and plus c and over. Now initial condition x equal to pi by 2 and y equal to 0. Done. Now putting x equal to pi by 2 and y equal to 0. In equation 1. So, y is 0. So 0 into any value 0. X is pi by 2. So pi square by 4. Sin pi by 2 is 1. And plus c. And take pi square by 4 other side. So c equal to minus pi square by 4. Or putting the value of c in equation number 1. Therefore, answer y sin x equal to x square sin x and minus pi square by 4. एंड बाद में अगर आपको अरेंज करना है तो टेकिंग साइन साइन कंबाइन एंड साइन कॉमन पॉसिबल. y sin x दिस साइड, pi square by 4 अदर साइड एंड sin x कॉमन, तो x square minus y into sin x equal to pi square by 4 is the final answer. You can write. तो ये स्टेप में ध्यान रखना, uv uv, तो नो नीड टू अप्लाई 2 टाइम uv. फर्स्ट चेक कि हियर x into sin, तो यहां पर क्या हो जाएगा, इन योर uv रूल आफ्टर द माइनस साइन व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला. we have the uv rule formula, u as it is integration of v minus d by dx of x square and integration of cos. तो आपको पता है कि x square 2x and cos is sin, तो डेफिनेटली ये टर्म मिलेगी, डायरेक्टली इंटीग्रेशन कैंसल. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 तो 0 कैंसल कट. एन आंसर रेडी एंड देन कंडीशन. ओके, चलो ये था आपका एग्जांपल नंबर 22. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो नेक्स्ट टेकिंग द एग्जांपल नंबर 23. Find the equation of a curve. Curve means xy type equation and curve passing through the point 0, 1. So this one is the initial condition, x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 to find the value of c. If the slope of the tangent means dy by dx to the curve is equal to the sum of the x coordinate and product of x and y. Sum of the x and x and y. तो x प्लस एक्स वाई. ओके, चलो क्लियर हियर. तो हियर द स्लोप of the tangent to the curve is equal to sum of the x and product of x and y. So, slope of the tangent is dy by dx equal to x plus xy. Ready? dy by dx, then y fix. So we have to take xy other side. So dy by dx minus xy and equal to x. Ready? dy by dx and y fixed. With dy there is a p of x is minus x and q of x is x. Next work, if e raised to integration p of x dx, e raised to integration minus x dx. Understood? xy other side. So minus xy and equal to x. So p of x is minus x. So e raised to integration p of x minus x. So e raised to minus x square by 2. Done? E raised to minus x square by 2. I have answer. Now solution. Y fix. So y into e raised to integration p of x dx equal to integration, two terms, q of x into e raised to integration p of x dx whole dx. Ready? Y into e raised to integration p of x. Answer, e raised to minus x square by 2. Q of x is x and e raised to minus x square by 2 dx. चलो, we need the solution right hand side. बराबर, तो राइट साइड इंटीग्रेशन हाउ टू फाइंड x and here x square by 2, तो obviously taking x square equal to t. Okay, x square equal to t. Done. Taking x square equal to t. So 2x dx equal to dt है ना. एक काम करते हैं, डायरेक्टली एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 इक्वल टू टी. तो एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 इक्वल टू टी, तो एक्स स्क्वायर इज 2x बाई 2, तो ओनली x dx equal to dt. और पुटिंग ऑन डेटा इन अवर टर्म y this term as it is, minus x square by 2 e raised to minus x square by 2 to minus, and x square by 2 is t, and x dx equal to dt. Easy? Alright, e raised to minus t is very easy. E raised to minus t is e raised to minus t upon minus 1 plus c. So y e raised to minus x square by 2 minus e raised to minus x square by 2 and plus c. This is the equation of curve. Now this curve passing through the point 0, 1. So putting this point in the equation, y is 1, e raised to 0, because x is 0, minus e raised to 0 and plus c. Any power 0 is 1, so this side 1, minus 1 and plus c. Therefore, c equal to 1 plus 1, 2. Putting the value of c in equation number 1. So, y into e raised to minus x square by 2 equal to minus e raised to minus x square by 2 प्लस 2. चलो e रेस टू अगर माइनस है तो हम क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट एक काम करते हैं, e रेस टू माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर बाय 2 टेकिंग दिस साइड, प्लस e रेस टू एक्स स्क्वायर बाय 2 एंड इक्वल टू 2. नाउ y अपॉन e रेस टू एक्स स्क्वायर बाय 2 plus 1 upon e raised to x square by 2 equal to 2. And e raised to x square by 2 LCM another side to answer y plus 1 equal to 2 e raised to x square by 2. Okay, so this is the answer of our example number 23. Now up to 9.6 all the work over. Now miscellaneous illustrations and miscellaneous exercise left. चलो start करते हैं exercise. Hello friends. So up to illustrations all over, miscellaneous illustrations left and miscellaneous exercise number 9 left. Okay. So let's start our miscellaneous exercise number 9, question 1 and then question 2. Find order and degree for the 1, 2 and 3. This all for your homework. Okay? चलो आपको आंसर बोलना है नंबर 1. आप माइंड में बोलना है कि दिस इज द ऑर्डर एंड दिस इज द डिग्री. तो व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर? फर्स्ट चेक दिस इज ए इक्वेशन और नॉट. यस, डेफिनेटली दिस इज ए इक्वेशन. नाउ ऑर्डर 2 and degree 1. Order 2, degree 1. This is possible. Order 1, degree 3. Order 1, degree 3. And this is sin in d cube by dx cube, not possible. So degree is not possible, but order 4. Okay? So here question 1 is about order and degree. So number 1, order 2, degree 1. Okay? Order 2, degree 1. Number 2, order 1, degree 3. And number 3, order is 4, but degree is not possible. तो अब याद करो हमारा जो चैप्टर था 9.1, तो 9.1 क्या था हमारा? 9.1 इज अबाउट ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री. तो दिस सम इज अबाउट ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री, इट मींस अबाउट 9.1. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, यहां पर मैंने हेडिंग नहीं लिखा है, बट अबाउट 9.2. 9.2 में क्या था, जस्ट डेरिवेट एंड गेट द आंसर. आंसर भी साइड में लिखा था कि प्रूव दिस इज द आंसर, लाइक दिस, दिस इज ए क्वेश्चन एंड प्रूव दिस आंसर. ओके, चलो तो यहां पर भी कई सारे सम है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आई थिंक 4 सम्स. हम यहां पर फर्स्ट सम ले रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 फर्स्ट सम, y equal to a e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x and plus x square. Here a and b are not arbitrary constant. ये 9.3 नहीं है, 9.2 है. Just derivation method. It means check the answer. In our answer d square y by dx square, तो 2 time derivation. Okay? 1 time, 2 time. चलो, तो this sum is a e raised to x type or not? Yes. This sum is a e raised to x type. So here, जो we know that कि 2 time derivation એટલે y dy by dx and d square y by dx square, तो कभी भी e raised to x and a and b कट नहीं होगा हमारा, बराबर. तो मीनिंग इज आपको क्या करना है, we need the 3 values y, 1 time derivation dy by dx, second time derivation d square y by dx square, and we will put the value of y, dy by dx and d square y by dx square in left side, and we will prove the answer 0. If answer 0, then we can say LHS equal to RHS. So mark this is a 1. आपको कब ये मेथड करनी है, e raised to x type sum. कभी भी e raised to x या e raised to minus x type sum है, लेंथी है, then use this method. Next work, dy by dx. A e raised to x, b common e raised to minus x up into minus 1 and plus 2x. d square y by dx square. A e raised to x, here minus minus plus, and b e raised to minus x and plus only 2. Now starting with the LHS, equal to x d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx minus xy plus x square and minus 2. So putting all values, आंसर आपको 0 मिलना चाहिए, because RHS is 0. d square y by dx square is equation 3. A e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x plus 2. A e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x plus 2 plus 2 into, now dy by dx, a e raised to x minus b e raised to minus x plus 2x. A e raised to x minus b e raised to minus x and plus 2x minus xy, x into y. What is y? A e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x plus x square. Okay? Plus x square and minus 2. आंसर हमें 0 मिलना चाहिए. Then over x multiply with the bracket ax e raised to x, bx e raised to minus x and plus 2x. Now 2 multiply 2a e raised to x minus 2b e raised to minus x plus 4x. X multiply ax e raised to x plus bx e raised to minus x plus x cube plus x square and minus 2. So equal to ax e raised to x, ax e raised to x 2 times 2ax e raised to x बराबर 2ax नहीं हाँ बराबर ax e raised to x, ax e raised to x 2 times. Now bx e raised to minus x, bx e raised to minus x also 2 times 2bx e raised to minus x. Okay. Now 2a e raised to x minus 2b e raised to minus x. Other all are x form. Okay. So 2x plus 4x 6x plus x square plus x cube and minus 2. तो ये तो जीरो नहीं हो रहा है, हमें तो जीरो मिलना चाहिए, तो इज नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो. तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? चेक द हेडिंग. यहां पर क्वेश्चन में वही था, आपको चेक करना था कि दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ योर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन और नॉट. तो यहां पर हमें सेटिस्फाई नहीं मिल रहा है. इट मींस सो गिवन इक्वेशन is not the solution of differential equation. अगर हमें ये सब वैल्यू हम यहां पर यूज करते हैं एंड आंसर हमें जीरो मिल जाता तो हम क्या लिखते हैं? इट इज ए सॉल्यूशन. 9.2 पूरा का पूरा जो हमारा एक्सरसाइज है तो वहां पर सभी में हमें मिल रहा था, डायरेक्टली आंसर रेडी था. ये तो मैंने आपको इसलिए बोला कि e raised to x टाइप सम है तो मस्ट यूज LHS एंड RHS. बाकी के सम में हम क्या करेंगे? डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर 1 टाइम डेरिवेशन 2 टाइम डेरिवेशन देन आंसर रेडी. एंड वही आंसर जो टेक्स्ट बुक में है तो राइट, अदरवाइज रॉन्ग. चलो तो दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वन सम ओवर. Okay, so in our next lecture we will start second sum of the second question. Okay.